Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the process how to get AI player on Minecraft. So you have to just simply download the app from elephant.gg. So download the app and install it. Okay, the after installation, when I'm, I'm installing the app. Okay, after installing the app, simply open the app and allow access if it's pop up. You can sign it or you can use as a guest. Now go to open the game, choose single player. Write the name of the world which you wanna create and simply create the new world. Okay, then go to open lane and write a port number here. I'm going to give 2000 and then simply I'm gonna press start LAN world. Once the game hosted on port it's written, go back to that software and choose the AI character and give the game port. On my also you have to provide the name, give the name of the character which you are playing or username of your, and simply give the port number which is 2000 and press join game. The agent has been joined into our game. So now simply go back to the game. You will find it. Here is the agent. So I hope this video finds interesting to you guys. Thank you for watching the video.